Hey guys, today let's understand one more function of which comes in date and time category. Uh, when I'm talking about this new function, time, it specifically converts an hour, minute, and second into a time. So this hour, minute, and second can be converted from integers. Yeah. So from numbers, we get the hour, month, and the second are minutes and the seconds. So suppose I have I write the integers. It is 11 hours, so 11 o'clock, 40 minutes, and probably 30 seconds. Now the syntax is pretty easy for us. So where you will write is equal to time. We'll open the brackets. We'll specify the hour. So 11 was hour, comma. Then we specify the minute. Yeah. Again, comma. We specify the second. Yeah. And as soon as I close the bracket and press enter, it gives me this integers in the form of a time. So it converts integers to exact time. I need to be very sure the inputs of hours, minutes, and seconds should be in the form of a number. It should not be a string. Suppose 11, if I go here, 11, if I put it as a text, if I put it as a text or I write it as 11, it will not accept. It will give me an error. So it has to be a number. Yes, you need to be very careful of that. Second, time will silently recalculate numeric time values which fall outside a valid range. Now, suppose in a day there are 24 hours. Yeah. But mistakenly I have typed it as 25 hours. So it will automatically jump me to the next hour. So that is 1. You see this? So it pushes me to the next day. Same way, I'll keep it as 11. Same way, if I do it for every minute has 60 seconds and we have 60 seconds overall. Yeah, every hour has 60 minutes and we have every minute 60 seconds. So suppose I move 40 minutes to 62 minutes. So it will see, just check on the timing what happens. It becomes 12. So it pushes the hour as well because it has crossed 1 hour over here in terms of minute. Yeah. So it has added 1 to 11 and it is showing me the time is 12.02. Same way it happens for second. So if I increase the second from 630 to 66, so it is 6 seconds over the timing. So it will automatically show the time as 11:46 and 6 minutes to this. So this is how time function works, and it automatically adjusts the timing according to the numbers that you specify. Yeah. So time will silently truncate decimal values input into a function as well. So suppose if I write the time number over here as 11.75. So it will still take 11 years. So it will truncate this 75 after the decimal, and it will only show the part which is in the form of integer. So whatever I write is 11.53, still it will show me 11. So it will automatically truncate the decimals which are available in numbers. Yes. So this is how time works and time function works. And It is pretty simple the way to use it. Yeah. And I hope this is helpful for you. Now let's understand end of month, EOE. Yes. The next function that we are going to see today is end of month. Yeah. Now what end of month does? Uh, End of month usually returns a date representing the last day of a month. So it shows you the last day of a month for the date that you have specified. Yeah, pretty simple. So if you want to find what is the last day of a particular date that you have specified for that for the month available in that date, then you use EO month. Yes. So what it represents? It returns a date representing the last day of the month according to the date we have specified. Sorry, I mistakenly typed the explanation here. So you have, yeah, it converts to hour minute. So this is the right explanation. So let's see what EO month does. So I'll say is equal to EO month. I'll open the brackets. Now suppose I want to know what is the last day of 10/3/2024. So I'll just click on it. I want to find what is the last day of March. So it gives me month arguments to you want to expected is 2. So I need to specify the okay, I need to specify the there is one more thing, that's month. So I say 1 month. Yes, you see this? So it is taking me to the next month last date. So if I want the current month last date, I'll put here as the second parameter month as 0. So it gives me the current month. So here we have selected the date at 10 March 2024. It gives me the last day for the month of March. So if I want to know the last day of month for the next month, which is after March, so I'll say add 1. If I want to see 2 months next to March, I'll add 2. If I want to go back, yeah, so if I want to see what was the last day of the month which was previous to March, I'll say -1. Yes, so it shows me for February. So 29th was the last day. So if I want to go back 2 months, so it show me 31st January 2000. So basically, it returns you the last day of any month that you specify against a date. Yeah. Now you ensure that you add the start date properly. You also need to see to it that end of month does not auto convert number formats in the same way as Google Sheet does. Yeah. Upon therefore, if we add 10 month 10 divided by 10 divided by 2000 as we have seen in earlier uh, sessions, it will automatically divide it. So you need to be very careful that you put the date in quotes, or you can specify the date in particular cell and then you can refer to that cell as we have done right now. Yes, we have referred to this particular 10th of March to get a end of month. So you can do that, or you can add a date in double quotes. You need to be very sure while you are working on dates, because you cannot just specify date as a string or it will give you an incorrect output. Yes, guys? So I guess this is okay for today. We'll further see our last four functions in our videos that are coming ahead. Thank you so much.